Managing a busy work week can feel like chaos. Meetings, deadlines, tasks, and never enough time. But what if AI could organize it all for you? This week, I let AI take over my schedule. Here's what happened. I started by syncing my Google Calendar and task list with Reclaim.ai. I also tested Motion, another smart scheduler that automatically books time for deep work, breaks, and urgent tasks. Next, I added all my weekly priorities, meetings, personal goals, deadlines. The AI assigned time blocks, moved things around based on urgency, and protected my focus time. It even scheduled lunch. Here's how my schedule looked before and after. With AI, everything had a slot: work blocks, focus time, breaks, even errands. The stress of decision-making disappeared. Things changed fast at work, so when a meeting got moved, the AI adjusted the rest of my schedule automatically. No manual dragging or missed deadlines. It even protected my rest time. The pros: efficient time use, fewer forgotten tasks, and better focus. The downside: it takes a few hours to set up right, and the learning curve might turn off some users. Letting AI manage my week gave me more time, less stress, and a sense of control. If you want to get more done without the burnout, give it a shot. And subscribe to NavigAI for more real-world AI experiments.